Hi, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to show you a household item that you may be missing from your homes. And this is the 1500 lumen hybrid rechargeable lantern. This lantern is one of the best purchases I've made in such a long time. This is so great for so many reasons. So I use this primarily for my power outages. I get power outages very frequently where I live, and this will light up my whole home. So I can imagine if you do have a bigger home, you might need a few of these. For my 1-bedroom apartment, this works great and lights up the whole house. But what's also awesome about it is that it has this handle. So it makes it so great and easy, convenient to carry around. I'm going to show you how bright it can get. So this is the brightest setting we have right here. And this is the medium setting. This is the lower setting. And this is the red flashing light you could use. And this could come in handy if your car ever breaks down in the middle of the night and you need to draw some attention to yourself. That works wonderful for those types of situations. But what's great about it is if you take it camping, it's a waterproof lantern. So if it gets submerged in some water, it's not going to stop working. But I want to show you that there's different ways to get it recharged. So you can recharge it in the back here. There's one spot to recharge it. You can also put batteries in this to get it working, or you can also see it's solar powered at the very top. It's solar powered. So there's different ways to get this lantern working, which I love. But also one great feature about this that I forgot to mention was that you can recharge your cell phone, which is awesome during power outages when nothing is working. There's nowhere to plug in your phone's dying, it's at 2%. You can plug it in back here. So I definitely suggest getting these, having one in your home, maybe one in your car, maybe one at work. This is a purchase you won't regret. And that's my point of view.